OnePlus 15T is expected to be OnePlus' next compact flagship. Here's what it could bring to the table in 2026. This could be the first ever look at the OnePlus 15T, last phone on the right. OnePlus 15T will feature a 6.3-inch 165Hz OLED display. That panel will offer a 1.5K resolution and an ultrasonic fingerprint scanner. Smartphone had an IP68 rating. The smartphone is tipped to have a metal frame. It will be paired with the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 chipset, which is the same chipset powering the main OnePlus 15 flagship. Another notable change is the addition of a third rear camera. The 15T have a triple camera setup, a battery of over 7,000 mAh. The leaker also suggests that the OnePlus 15T will be released between March and April next year. The phone may be rebranded as the OnePlus 15s. While global pricing remains unclear, a US launch at around $600 could make the 15T a serious contender. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.